Here's a little bit of coaching for mixing your two-color black. This is the form we're going to use, and in this example I'm using three colors: burnt sienna, ultramarine blue, and titanium white. And I have a discussion on painting rocks, although black paint can be mixed into your other colors. So we're first going to mix our very neutral color. If it's on a white piece of paper and you're mixing it, you can scratch it and look at the underlying color. And here you're going to look for a very charcoal color and then add titanium white to that color. The reason we're focusing on mixing these three levels is we have rocks both in shade and in light, and even rocks in light have a dark or shaded side to them as well. This is our warm color, our warm black, and obviously we're putting in more burnt sienna than we are in ultramarine blue. And when you scratch that, you should be able to see the underlying color and add white to that, and then you've got your warm gray. Single rocks, by the way, will have multiple sides and various values and warm and cool colors of the rock itself. So once you've got your mixing done, and believe me, I had to mix larger piles than you were showing there, I'm putting down my burnt sienna. I'm sort of writing down the names of the paints, putting them down raw right out of the tube. I have the three colors. And then I'm going to go back to my pile, mix my black, which is charcoal. It goes into my first column there, which is neutral. And there's my white, and that now is my neutral black. I'm doing the same thing with going back to my warm black color, adding white, and then I have my warm gray, and there is my cool gray. Once I've done that, I'm going to create a value chart using the warm. So the very first section of the value chart is extremely light, so it's a little tiny bit of paint into the ultramarine blue, and then adding more and more of the black into your paint until it's getting darker and darker until finally it actually is black. For certainly at some point, if you have to adjust the paint, you can do, or the color or the value, you can do it right on your chart by either mixing it into the white paint or the wet paint, or just over painting whatever you have there. And you'll see from time to time, although this is speeded up, you'll see from time to time I've actually had to adjust the colors so it looked right on my mixing palette, but I had to adjust it. And again, you're going right from your very light off-white all the way through to your black. And once that's done, you've got your black and gray warm and cool color chart with values. Hope that works for you, and we'll see you in class.